Academic Advising is 6901 Bachelor of Science program. One may find it difficult to know where to start when coming to a completely new environment. As a fresher to the university, you may have tons of questions in your mind but cannot find ways to the answers. No worry, our web-based information and handbooks are some handy tools for you, and our one-on-one academic advising service will help you get a better picture of how to plan your study ahead. In just a click, you can have easy access to information of our curriculum, academic matters, learning opportunities and news, etc. Electronic handbooks are available, and you can also check the syllabuses of the Bachelor of Science program online. Apart from giving advice on your intended major, your academic advisor also helps you develop your academic and personal goals. You can select your academic advisor or have one assigned to you according to your intended major by using the online sign-up system. There are also course selection advisors in the faculty who generally provide academic advice on majors or minors in course selection. A group of dedicated senior students volunteer to serve as contact points for freshers regarding academic inquiries. Each fresher will be assigned a student peer advisor by the start of the semester. The Academic Advising Office of the Registry also provides quality service to support and enhance the academic success and development of undergraduate students.